So here we are in Kapolei, Hawaii. It's actually Barber's Point. We are on the side of the road. So what makes our company unique is we are self-contained. We do a lot of waterless, rinseless washes. We have a generator and we have a compressor. We have polishers. We have everything to do the vehicle at your location, no matter where it's at. Here, what we're going to do is, customer has a Mako paint job. It's dull, and he wants to do whatever he can to bring it back. Where they park their vehicles is exposed to the sun pretty much 24 hours a day, or 12 hours, whatever the sun's out. Exposed to the elements around the clock. So I tried to talk him out of it. He wants to do the best he can, bring this back. These Mako paint jobs, you can polish this thing for days and it still might not turn shiny. So I'm gonna wash the vehicle and then I'm going to do a polish. So the sides look good. It's typical for Hawaii, wherever the sun is gonna hit these flat panels, they're on top. They are what are going to get destroyed first. You can tell the body shop repainted this because it's gray underneath and they're missing parts, typical of Mako. They also, they don't put things back properly, so when you're driving down the road, parts may fall off. I do not recommend getting a Mako paint job unless it's pretty much what your budget can afford. And then you have some paint bubbling right here. So I'm gonna go get started on this, and then when I come back, I'm gonna do a walk around and show you what it looks like after we're done. No overspray from me, but so we're back. It's the finished product right here. There's a streak right there. I gotta wipe that. But yeah, so headlights didn't really do too much to it. Yeah, it was dull, and now it has a shine. So about 2 hours passed. Just finish this up.